Yin Yoga, Happy Baby. Very popular pose. Very soothing, very relaxing. And aims at the muscles around the lower back. Open up the hips and the groin. Very deep hip opener, this one. You can use your arm strength, but I prefer to try and let gravity do most of the work. Lovely hip opener. And that's Tanya doing a basic Happy Baby. Just stay in that position, Tanya. But the things you can play around with is maybe have peace fingers on the big toe, the hallux, the big toe, and just apply them there. Knees are nice and wide, wider than your torso, and you're actually trying to, as tissues give, can we sink the knees further down towards the ground, trying to keep the shins perpendicular to the floor. Another option with the hands is you can have them on the outside of the foot, or you can have them on the inside. Super. Happy Baby. So we'll just show you how to get into this without the use of any props. We'll use the prop later, it makes it a little bit easier. So start off from a semi-supine position. So you're lying on your back, hips bent, knees bent, with your feet flat on the floor. Just bring your knees, hug your knees into your chest. And then all you're going to do is just extend both feet, the soles of the feet up to the ground. Almost like the shins are almost perpendicular to the ground. So the knees are wider, so you're opening up the knees, almost like a frog type position, keeping the soles of the feet up to the ceiling. Now for me personally, why I don't like pulling on the arms too much, trying to make it as yin as possible. And as tissues give, can we sink the knees lower and lower down? So you're pulling on the feet until the soles of your feet are completely facing upwards, keeping the knees bent, pull the knees in towards the chest. Settle into the pose and then settle into your breath. And that's Happy Baby. Tanya's now going to show you. You can make it, classed as making it slightly easier, and actually use the strap on the feet. Now some people use one strap on both feet. It doesn't work for me personally. I think Tanya prefers that version. I prefer one strap on the left foot, one strap on the right foot. Again, it doesn't have to be a strap. You can use a band, you can use some sort of towel. The issue that I have when I use one strap is the feet just tend to get pulled together. Providing the knees apart, that is actually another variation that some people actually do, where the feet, soles of the feet are together and you're opening the knees even wider. And again, very passive, just waiting for tissues to give. And as they give, you just see, can you sink a little bit further down? And that's Happy Baby.